Okay, it's Tuesday, December 13th, just following up on the SPY. You can see here we've made our second push down on the day. Bought the puts here at the blue line when we broadened out a little bit to the upside, anticipating this rollover to the downside. As price came down, bought the options at 412, the puts scaled out some at 513, scaled out some more at 578. So now it's kind of, totally a no-risk trade to see if it builds a little momentum to the downside, but it's a little tricky because, we're still in an overall up condition in the sense that we're above the midpoint of yesterday. We certainly, gapped up and started lower. The structure on the day was down. We went below the purple line, which is the that monthly line, to determine whether the monthly trend is going to be green or red. And at the moment, we're still a little bit red and moving lower. So we're just filling in a gap right here. It's hard to say how much momentum is going to kick into the downside. Definitely continuing lower right here. But this was kind of a high probability, given this opening price action. Just a pause in here, knowing that this was likely the high of the day, given just the way price opened. A secondary push down was kind of high probability, so it took advantage of that. Let's just see now if it's kind of just in the overall. We broaden out to the upside up here, coming down into this area. I could see, not necessarily going all the way to the bottom today, but we'll see how today closes, and that might be a good indication to see if this is a lot of rejection up here, and we might be looking for lower prices as the week goes on. Weekly chart definitely at the moment, took out some key areas and now is forming a potential selling tail, but we still have 3 days to go in this week to determine, really what happens. So anyway, for today, this was the high probability play, given that you watched the opening, didn't get any red to green move to start the day, and then we just paused here. So you're looking for another push down, and now the options are all the way up to 624. So good trade on the SPY, buying puts after watching opening price action.